Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. I'm back. It wouldn't let me post for 30 days, but I'm here. Let's dive right into it, not wasting any time. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Let's dive right into it here. Looking at Binance. Binance acquires regulated crypto exchange in Japan. Binance continuing to lead the way when it comes to pushing adoption, when it comes to pretty much being that catalyst within the crypto space. They have the funds. They have the resources and the networks and the connections now to pretty much lead the way when it comes to sharing and spreading the crypto technology as a whole. So Binance acquires JFSA, registered secure exchange, Bitcoin, committed to enter Japan under regulatory compliance. So now that gateway is opened, Binance leading the way again. Great things happening with Binance throughout this bear market. Let's dive into technicals. Technical Tuesday was yesterday, but let's take a look here. Bitcoin sitting at $16,825. Now, our last conversation, you guys look at the video I had before I left, before I was unable to post, and everyone thought I was crazy. Everyone thought we hit a bottom, and this green line that I had here on our previous Technical Tuesdays is showing you guys that the new lows that were being made and how you were able to pretty much highlight that and see. The one thing I would say is everyone says, oh, it's just because FTX. No, that was just a reason. That was just any reason. It was going to drop regardless. Okay. FTX doesn't happen. Let's say FTX doesn't happen. Either way, this was going to happen. So that's what I want people to understand. Either way, this was going to happen. FTX or no FTX, something was going to happen to trigger this drop. Okay. Any reason for people to sell. People are already on edge. If you look at the crypto fear greed indicator, cryptofeargreed.io, people are already on edge. People are already extreme fear. Just any reason to dump, people are going to do it. So FTX was just a reason, was just, it was going to happen either way. That's pretty much where my sentiment is. So we'll see what happens here. We do have a level of support, again, sitting right here. People are expecting the $12,000 number. I told you guys my range was 15 to 7, or I think I said 15 to 17. I believe I said 15 to 17. I might have said 16 to 19, but either way, I'm in my range. But we have a new level of support right here, you guys can see. And now this is going to be decision time. Now, people are expecting, again, another low. I could see another low. People are saying 12,000. People are saying 10,000. Now they don't sound too crazy, right? So we'll see what happens. This is definitely accumulation time, okay? It's not wait for the bottom. Let's wait for the lowest possible. No, it's just accumulation time, guys. Dollar cost averaging is the way to go long term. 100%. And dollar cost averaging Ethereum, of course, is what we are doing here at Clockwise Crypto. But we do see here, this is interesting, actually. This didn't necessarily make an entirely new low because it did drop. Remember, it did have that spike to about $860. I think $890 it says right here on this chart. But it did have that spike down, and it didn't make a new low. So that's something I'm definitely paying attention to as we sit here and look at, the price action here. So crypto fear, greed, extreme fear, only at 20 though. So extreme fear for the past month. And like I said, that's another reason why I think either way, this was going to happen. Either way, a drop was coming. So very cool. Some exciting news here. Looking at XDAO. XDAO is pretty much a fundamental platform for creating your own DAO, which is supported by partners like BNB Chain, Polygon, Optimism, Neartron, Moonbeam, and a ton of others. And right now, they already have more than 12,000 DAOs that have been created on XDAO, and this can be done in 5 minutes. So when we talk about projects that are leading the way to make things simple for people, now being able to create a DAO within 5 minutes, that pretty much means like anyone that has the desire to create a DAO can come on board and create one with XDAO. So the token sale is already live on Uniswap. And so we already know timing's everything. Uniswap is where it starts. And as soon as they bridge out to other exchanges, it's pretty much a huge opportunity for people. So definitely take a look at it. So XDAO, they're saying the journey starts from the homepage where you can see your DAO and other general info. To create a DAO, you click create a DAO in the sub menu in the left bar, and you can do it on the home page. So, you launch the app, you can see the backers, they already have the connections, but more importantly, they're making things simple. They're making it simple. So this is the first time I ever heard that, someone can create a DAO within 5 minutes. So this is something very big. Check out their Twitter. Their links will actually be in the description. But a smart DAO tool for crypto entrepreneurs. And, they're currently supported by 30 blockchains, which is huge. But another exciting thing is right now they're allocating $10,000 to a prize pool and pretty much giving people an opportunity to play XDAO City Quest and win amazing prizes. So definitely take a look at this. You have an opportunity to win $10,000 from BNB Chain and XDAO. So what you really want to take a look at is, go through this process in creating the DAO. You can launch the app here, connect the wallet, and pretty much go through, and it's pretty seamless with creating your DAO. So definitely take a look at this, and pretty much this entire quest from XDAO is very exciting. Definitely want to take a look and see what they're doing. I'm gonna be talking about this pretty frequently. I should go through and build a DAO too. So if it takes 5 minutes, I definitely probably gonna show you guys how to do that. Very exciting stuff here, and a lot of exciting stuff going on in the industry as a whole, I would say. I mean, we look at this price action, we look at pretty much what Binance is doing. We look at South Korea, looking for Do Kwon's former colleagues. But Brazil, meanwhile, passes a law to legalize crypto as a payment method. So a lot's going on in the crypto space despite the price action. So very exciting stuff. I'm glad to be back, and I'm glad to, be able to respond and connect with you guys again. And I hope you guys keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you soon.